Let us take some more problem on solving the linear equations in one variable. Okay. Now again, just like the normal variables that you have, even in case where you have got fractions, the principles remain the same. Okay. So we have 2 upon 3x plus 1 upon 9x is equal to 1 upon 3x plus 5. Now again, what do we have here? What we have here is that we've got one constant and we've got three fractions which are associated with a variable x. So as I told you initially also, to start with, what do? We kind of convert this equation in such a form that we have variables on one side, preferably the left, and the constant on the other side. So what I do is I put in 2 upon 3x plus 1 upon 9x plus 1 upon 3x. So this plus is on the other side. As I get it to the left hand side, this will become minus is equal to 5, right? I just simply move this to the other side of the equality and change the sign. Now if I take the LCM of the denominators 3, 9 and 3, I will get 9, right? 9 goes into 3 times, so we multiply the numerator, which is 2x by 3. So 2x into 3 gives you 6x plus 9 divided by 9 gives you 1, 1 into 1x gives you x, right? And then minus 9 divided by 3 gives you 3, 3 into 1x gives you 3x is equal to 5. So 6x plus 1x is 7x minus 3x is what? 4x divided by 9 is equal to 5, right? Now in order to remove these two numbers and just let x be here, we multiply this side by 9 upon 4. Now the question is, why did I use 9 upon 4? Because to cancel out this 9, I need to have 9 in the numerator. So I multiply this by 9. And to cancel out this 4 in the numerator, I put in 4 in the denominator. But what I know is that if I multiply the left hand side of the equation by something, I have to multiply the right hand side by the same number. And then the equality will remain the same. This is the rule that we learned in the first video. So this 4 will cancel out with this 9 will cancel out with this. What we are left here is x. Okay. On the right hand side, what is the value? 5 into 9 will give you 45 divided by 4. So for the value of x is equal to 45 by 4, this equality will hold true, right? Just give it a shot, try it out at your own end and see whether it works or not. Now let us see the second one. Now in this case also, it's something similar. The only thing is the multiplication is a bit more complicated, right? But let's open the bracket first. So 2 by 3 into a will give you 2 upon 3a plus 2 upon 3 into 18 minus 1 upon 7 into 2a will give you 2 upon 7a minus 1 upon 7 into 7 is equal to 27. Now if you start cancelling, this 3 goes into this 18 6 times. This 7 gets cancelled with this 7. Okay. So you what are you left with? You're left with 2 upon 3a, right? So now what I'll do is I'll try to consolidate all the variables containing a on one side. So I have this and I have this minus 2a upon 7 is equal to 27. What am I left with here? 2 into 6, which is 12 plus 12. And what am I left here? Minus 1, right? So I get 2 upon 3a minus 2a upon 7 is equal to 12 minus 1 is 11, and 11 when I move it to the other side will make it negative. 27 minus 11 is equal to 16. Let me solve these equations. So I'll get the LCM of 3 and 7 as 21 So this divided by this gives me 7. 7 into 2a is 14a minus 21 divided by 7 is 3. 3 into 2a is 6a is equal to 16. Basically gives 8a upon 21 is equal to 16. Okay. Again, to cancel out 8 and 21, just like what I did here, I multiplied this by 21 and I divided by 8. Since I've done it on the left hand side, I have to do it on the left hand side, right hand side as well. This 8 gets cancelled with this 21 gets cancelled with this. So a is equal to 8 goes into 16 how many? 2 times. 2 times 21 is 42. So for a is equal to 42, this equation should hold true. Right? So let's just check it out. So we have 2 upon 3 into a. A is 42 plus 8 is how much? 60. Minus 1 upon 7 into 2a. A is 42 into 2 is 84. Plus 7. 3 goes into 60 how many times? 20 times. 2 times 20 is 40. Minus 84 plus 7 is 91. Okay. 91 divided by 7 is 13 is equal to 27. So the value which we get for the left hand side is 27, which is equal to the right hand side. Hence a is equal to 42 is the solution for this particular equation. Right?